Now children, I am giving you exercise of lesson number 1, that is whistle and shaving bristles. Here are words synonym and antonym. So children, synonym means similar and antonym means opposite. So first word is loan, credit, borrow. Next word is sorrow, unhappiness, happiness. Next, identical, alike, unlike. Next, big, word is big, huge, small. Next word is affluent, rich, poor. Old, mature, immature. Next, intelligent, sharp, foolish. Mean, ungenerous, generous. Strong, word is strong, powerful, weak. Now children, here is the extract. So the underlined words you have to write common, proper, abstract. Children, here are underlined words. Atif, proper noun. Next line, house, common. Nizambagh, proper. Syria, proper. Tiffin box, common. Mirzana book shop, proper. Books, common. Gadar Bazar, proper noun. Sweater. Now here are the fill in the blanks children. Number 1 army, number 2 gang, number 3 army, number 4 bouquet, number 5 bunch, number 6 album. Now children, genders. M we are assuming as masculine, F feminine, C common, and N neuter. So here is the question. Classify the nouns according to their genders. Princess F, poet M, desk N, baby C, grandmother F, hero M, dog M, duchess F, cousin C, clock N, ball N, sibling C, goose F, mare F, house N, bag N, vixen F, bull M. Now children, we are moving towards meanings. First is sibling. Sibling meaning is a brother or a sister having a common parent. Second meaning of mansion, a large house. Third word, addicted, physically or emotionally dependent on something. Fourth, ceremony, an occasion celebrating an event, an act that performed according to the custom or tradition. Fifth, bandage, a strip of cloth used to cover and bind a wounded portion of the body. Wounded portion of the body. Now children, here you have to rearrange the sentences by numbering. Numbers are 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5. Children, remaining part of comprehension, C part. Question number 1. According to you, what are the advantages and disadvantages of having many siblings? So here are the advantages and disadvantages. First, the children learn to socialize The points of advantages are: first one, second, they play together, less intense for the parents. Third, the children can help and support each other at school with homework, etc. Fourth, the elder children help out with the little ones. Fifth, child has a companion, a confident co-conspirator. Now children, disadvantages. First is, it is expensive to have more children. Second, they all want attention at the same time. Third, lots of fighting, arguing when they are growing up. Fourth, parental attention is now divided. Fifth, even more difficult to travel, move, be any place on time. Sixth, need a bigger house. Seventh, more children, more exhausting. Eighth, more children is expensive. Children, here are 8 points and you have to write any 5. Now children's second question. Do you think the author's father was very strict? Give reasons to support your answer. The answer is, the author's father was strict, but at the same time he loved his children. Examples, here are 2 points. First one is, he encouraged them to participate in household work. Second point, he never tolerated criticism from outsiders for his children. So children, now lesson 1 question answers and exercises are completed. Question answers you have to write in fair copy, in neat and clean writing. So stay safe, healthy, happy and play. Thank you.